How to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. First of all, open your Snapchat account. Then click the profile icon above. Now there will be a setting option in the top right corner. Click here. Scroll down. Here you'll see the I need help option. Click here. Search for remove friends here. Here all the instructions, you read it carefully and go back. Click the profile icon again. Click here to open your friend list. Now find your friends here that you have to remove. Now you have to remove Arif. Now long press and hold the profile of the person you want to remove. Tap on more. Tap on remove friends. Similarly, you can remove as many friends as you want.